Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, spelling C team runner-up, Valvo, and today we have a very juicy topic. For all you anti-portion folks out there, you might want to turn off the video now because today is all about proportions. Get it? Now, like any good spelling bee runner-up worth their SALT, when we come across a new fancy word like proportions, we should have a couple questions we ask.
Number 1. Can I get a definition, please? Proportion. A proportion is an equality of ratios. Number 2. Can you use it in a sentence/convenient example, please? Well, because you asked nicely, absolutely. Let's say two twins, twin A and twin B, each have a pizza, pizza A and pizza B. The first twin cuts their pizza into 2 pieces and eats one of them. The ratio of